I've been looking on the internet. Little update to the Corvette. I've been working on the track for the weather stripping. I've got the top, I've got the driver's side. Now I'm just working on this side here. And I'm gonna try and get it all out tonight. And then maybe I can put the new one in tomorrow. I don't know. But it's a beautiful day. I still have to put the clips in up here and down there and on the other side. But it's looking really good. On the top here, this is what it looked like before. Not very good. We'll probably end up replacing this one tomorrow. Or the one for the back, which is missing now. Well, good evening. Okay, so I don't know where I put the other battery for my camera. This one's flashing, so I'm gonna have to plug the camera in. Alright, so we're plugged in. The camera's plugged in. So I'm gonna grab my oscillating tool and see if I can cut through the urethane on this. Alright, so I've been working on this. I finally got it separated. You guys saw that. And I got the track cleaned up as best I could. All the way around here. And I got most of the urethane off over here. So when I take it up to price, they'll probably just clean it up a little bit more and slap it on. Being that I cracked it, I don't really care about what happened right there. These are all cuts and scrapes from the tool. You're barely going to notice it. If I wanted them to, they could probably put this like black color on that so that you won't notice it as much. And I might even have them do that. It's the end of a very long day, so I'm going to let you guys go. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you tomorrow.